Hey everyone, how's it going? So in honor of the new Sonic movie that came out, I thought it'd be fun to show you guys something a little different, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to draw Super Sonic versus Super Shadow. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now start off with Super Sonic versus Super Shadow. Let's begin up here with Sonic. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to come down, and then we're going to curve back. Next, I'm going to curve this line, and then I'm going to bring this line down, leaving that little bit of space. Then we're just going to curve a line right here. Next, I'm going to make a little line that comes down and up, and then we're going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. Next, I'm going to curve this line around, and I'm going to bring it to here. Then I'm going to bring this line down with a curve. And I'm going to do one right here for the mouth. And we're just going to make a line here, a little space, and another line there. Next, we're going to color in this little oval. Then I'm going to bring this line up and down. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line up for the head. And then I'm going to bring this up to a point and back down. Next, we'll bring this one up to a point and down. And this one out to a point and then over to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and down. The other one's going to come up and down and across. I'm going to bring this one out to here. Then we're going to do another little point up here. Next, starting here, I'm going to curve this line down for the body. Then I'm going to make another line that's going to curve down for the other side of the body. I'm going to make a line that's going to come over and then up. And then another one, we're going to bring this over. And we're going to bring this up for the arm. Next, we're going to curve this line around. And then we're going to curve this line around here. Then we're going to make a line that's going to curve here. And we're going to make a couple more little curves, and then we're going to bring this around. Then we're going to bring this line over. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come out. We're going to curve it around and up. We're going to make a curve here. And then we're going to go around here and around here. And then another one around here. I'm going to curl here. Then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and then 4 fingers, and then connect to here. Next, right here for the leg, we're going to bring this line out. We'll curve it around and bring it back. Then you want to curve here for the top of the shoe. And we're going to go 1 and 1 curve here, and then a second one here. Then we're going to curve this down to a point and bring it up. Then we're going to draw a line here and a line over here. Then we'll curve this down. Then we'll make a little line here with a rectangle in it for that little buckle. Now over here, let's make this other leg. Let's draw a line that's going to come out and then down. And then another one that's going to come out here. And then we're going to bring this down and connect. Curve this. And we're going to make a curve here and here. And then one around here. Next, we're going to bring this down, over, and then up here. Then I'm going to make two curves here. And then one right here. Now for the chest and stomach, we're just going to draw a line down. We'll make a little point out for the tail. And then we're going to make one and then two little spikes on the back. Now our next step is to draw super shadow over here. So I'm going to begin right here. And I'm going to start by making a line that's just going to go down. And I'm going to curve this up to here. Next, I'm going to bring this down and then up. I'm going to do a little line. And I'm just going to color in a little bit, leaving a tiny bit white for the reflection. I'm going to curve this line out. I'm going to bring it over and then to here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up and then down. We're going to come over and up. Little line here. And we're just going to make a little oval shape here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down here. And then for the ear, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and down like a triangle. And then we're going to do a small triangle here. Next, I'm going to curve this down. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and then back. Then I'm going to bring this one. It's going to come out here to a point and then back. Next, we're going to make it look like he just kind of like was trying to punch Sonic. So we're going to draw a line that's going to come over. We're going to go down, and then we're going to bring this over to here. We're going to make like a little rectangle shape. And then a curve. Next, we're going to bring this line up and down. Bring this over, and then we're going to make 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and back for one of his spikes. Then another one here. And then we're just going to kind of draw a little line here, just kind of show where the body's twisting. Next, we're going to make a couple points, and then we're going to bring this up here. Next, we're just going to bring this line down. And then we're going to draw this line down. We're going to come over and up. We're going to make a little rectangle shape here. And then a curve here. Then we're going to make the line down. We're going to go over and then up here for the shoe. And then we're just going to do the same thing right around here. Then we'll make a little line here. Next, right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come out
and then back in. Then another line's going to come out and then down. Little line with a little rectangle. And we're going to curl this around. Make this come down and back. And another one right here with a little line here. Next we're going to curve here and curve here. Next we're going to make a line that's going to come down and back here. And then we're going to make that other hand. So to draw this, we're just going to make a line that's going to loop around here for the thumb. Then we're going to make a line that's going to curve here and bring it back here. Then we're going to go 1, 2, and then 3 more. So we'll make a little curve here and just a line there, and that's all we'll draw for that. And then one more thing, I'm going to add a little line up here for the other ear, and a little line here. Next, the final thing is we're just going to draw a line here, and then one right here for some of the detail on our super shadow, and then one here too. And there you go, there is your drawing of Supersonic versus Super Shadow. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.